Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Apple AirPods 4 and I'm going to show you where can you find your warranty informations such as coverage details and when does it expire. At first we have to scroll down to control panel, then we have to hold our finger on Bluetooth twice. Now we have to click Bluetooth settings. Now we have to click on this device info icon over here. Now, as you can see, there we have a button called Limited Warranty. We have to click on it. And as you can see, it expires on 13 October 2025. And our coverage details are hardware service and chat and phone support. Here we can download Apple Support application too. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.